Now we're going to take up one more problem on projections of laminas. Problem number 101, how we can be able to solve by using AutoCAD software. The problem reads as, a regular hexagonal lamina of side 25 mm is lying in such a way that one of its corners on HP, while the corner opposite to the corner on which it rests is on VP. If the lamina makes 60 degrees to HP, draw the projections of the lamina. So this is the problem. So we need to solve this problem by using AutoCAD software, and the solution is here. So this is how we will be able to create the solution, and we need to draw this by using AutoCAD software. So to do that, first we'll go for AutoCAD screen, switch off the grid mode and switch on the ortho mode. So the first command is limits, specify lower left corner 0, 0, enter upper right corner 297, 210, then zoom or then go to line, select some arbitrary point and click on first button of the mouse and drag the mouse towards the right side, take some distance and click on first button of the mouse. Again you take the cursor to the top side, take some distance and click on first button of the mouse and then press enter key, then go to offset, take the distance as 297. You select this vertical line and offset to the left side and then go to offset, take the distance as 210. Select this horizontal line and offset to the top side. Then go to zoom, extends, zoom 0.6x. Then go to fillet between this and this. Similarly, fillet between these two and fillet between these two. Now we'll go for layer command. Click on the new layer, type the layer by name XY and enter. Click on new layer, take the layer by name front view and again click on new, type the layer by name top view. Now here, since the projectors will always be on layer 0, the projector line weight is always 0.05. You just click on layer 0 line weight and make this as, select this as 0.05 and say OK. And similarly XY line weight is 0.13. Click on 0.13 and the front view as 0.5. So you take this 0.5 and say OK. And the top view will going to have the line weight as 0.5 and say OK. And the top view will going to have the color as magenta color. And then front view will going to have the color as blue and say OK. And finally you close this layer command. Now we will go for this solution. First we are going to create a hexagon of 25 mm side by keeping it in the horizontal position. So go to command is polygon, enter. So the number of sides is 6. So here specify center for first you take edge. Take the first end point of edge as this and you take the cursor to the right side and take 25 mm hexagon. Once you do that, then go to line and draw the XY line at some distance from here. Then go to line, take intersection point of this and draw perpendicular to this. Similarly line, take intersection point of this and draw perpendicular to this. Similarly line, take INT of this and take perpendicular to this. And similarly line, take intersection point of this and draw perpendicular to this line. Similarly, you just go to fillet between this line and this line. Similarly, fillet between these two. Then you select this line, go to layer, make this layer as front view, escape. Similarly, you select this, go to layer, take this layer as top view. Then go to break this line, first point, take intersection point of this and say at the rate, enter. Similarly, break first point, intersection point of this and say at the rate. Now you just select the SR. Then you just go to line weight display and make it visible. Now we need to copy this to next position and rotate that by an angle of 60 degrees. So to do that, so go to copy, select this entire thing by using the window. Select objects, enter, specify base point, take some point and drag the mouse towards the side, take some convenient distance and click on first button of the mouse. Then go to rotate, select the objects, you select this entire thing then go to end point, end of this. So rotation angle is in counterclockwise direction is positive. So then go to line, take end point of this, and then draw a line, take a line int of this and draw a horizontal line. Go to line, take end point of this and draw perpendicular to this line. Then go to trim this line till here, and then go to fillet between this line and this line. Similarly, just go to line, take intersection point of this and take line int of this and draw this. Then go to line, take end point of this. As you move the cursor on this, you will go to the end point of this and draw perpendicular to this. So then again take line, end point of this and draw perpendicular to this. So here, then go to trim, select this as the cutting edge and object to trim as this and this. Then go to zoom window, then go to line, take intersection point of this, take int of this and take intersection point of this. Similarly, line, take int of this, take intersection point of this and take int of this. Now we need to break this line till here and 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 break this line till here, so that you will going to get this sketch like this. So to do that, so first you go to break, select this first point, take int of this and say @enter. Similarly, break, select this first point, take int of this and say @. Similarly, break, select this first point, take int of this and say @. Similarly, break, select this first point, take int of this and say @. Similarly, break, select this line first point, int of this and say @. Now you select this line, all these 6 lines you select and go to layer, make that layer as, select this as, change it to top view. Now we need to go for line, take int of this and draw one horizontal line on this side, and then go to line, take int of this and draw a horizontal line of this. Then go to zoom previous, then go to copy, select this entire drawing and copy to the next position. Then go to zoom window, then go to rotate, and you rotate this in counterclockwise direction by 90 degrees. So you give 90. So then move previous, you select this and then go to move previous, select objects, take int of this and take perpendicular to this now. Then go to again move previous and drag this, keep it here. So then go to here. Now you just go to line, take int of this and draw this. Then go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this line. So then go to fillet between these two. Similarly, line, take intersection point of this and again draw line, int of this and draw one more horizontal line. And go to line, take intersection point of this and draw perpendicular to this. So then go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this. Then go to trim, select this as the cutting edge and object to trim as these two by selecting the window. Now we will go for line, take intersection point of this and take intersection point of this and take int of this. Similarly, line, intersection of this and take intersection of this and take intersection of this. So once you do that, now we need to draw this hexagon. So you break this line till here and you break this line till here. So to do that, so go to break, select this line, take first point, for the first point, take int of this and say @. Then go to break, first point, take int of this and say @. Then go to break, first point and take intersection of this and say at the rate. Now you just select this line, this, and this, and this, and this. Go to layer, make this layer as front view. Now once you do that, then go to zone previous, select this line and this line, go to layer, make that layer as XY. So now we have changed all the entities to corresponding layers. Once you do that, now we need to do the dimensioning. So to do that, go to DDIM, go to modify, go to primary units, precision of linear dimension as 0 and the text as 3 and align with the dimension line. Center becomes above, take offset from the dimension line as 3, go to symbols and arrows, take the arrow size as 3 and go to lines, select offset from the origin as 3 and say OK and say close. Now we go for dim, take intersection of this and take int of this, so it's going to get 25. Then go to angular, select between this line and this line, you take it as 60 degrees. So then go to dtext, so here take the height as 3, rotation angle as 0, put the caps lock on, so type XVP and then HP, then here it as Y, then you remove caps lock, type A, B, C, D, E and F. Similarly, it is here A dash, you mark it as B dash, you mark it as C dash, you mark it as D dash, then here it is E dash, then here it is F dash. So once you do that, then go to move, switch off the ortho mode, move this X, VP, HP, A dash, B dash, F dash, C dash, E dash and D dash. Similarly B, and here it has C, and here it has D, and here it has A, here it has F, and here it has E, and here it has D. Then you just take over this and go to layer, make this layer as front view, then you click on this A, B, C, D, E and F. So go to layer, make that layer as top view. Now we go to copy, so copy this A dash here, then you copy this B dash here, then you copy this C dash here, then you copy this D dash here. Once you do that, then go to copy this E dash and copy this F dash. So again you copy, take A and that A will come here, then B, that B will be here and it comes here, then go to C, C will come here and that C will go here. So that is what we are doing here. So D should be here and E and F will going to come on this side. So go to copy, select D, copy this D here and that D will come here. Similarly E on this side and also on this side. Then go to F, F will be here and this will be here. Then go to dtext. So here this is A dash and this is B dash and this is C dash and this is D dash and this is E dash and this is F dash. Once you do that, then go to move A dash, then comes to B dash, then C dash, then D dash, then E dash, then F dash. So here, then move Y, capital Y. Then go to select. So you select all these 6 letters, go to layer, make that layer as front view. So this is how you will be able to just go to zoom previous, again come down to zoom window, you take this drawing. So this is how you will be able to get the final drawing of this problem on projections of laminates. Whatever we have done here, the same thing we have reproduced here by using the AutoCAD software. Thank you.